Hey, what's up guys? My name is Ilyas and welcome to your 24th tutorial on jQuery, and in this tutorial we are going to add some extra functionality to our portfolio, and we want to be able to switch between the pictures. So I want to add like two arrows on the right and on the left side so you can scroll between the images. But before we continue, I noticed that we don't have ID for this large image, and we want to set it an ID first before we do the rest of programming. So let's just go ahead and set an ID for it, and I'll just go with main, and then make sure you replace the other selectors in jQuery and as well as in CSS. And instead of selecting frame image, select main. And in CSS we have this frame image, and now it's main, and somewhere we have hover right here, and we hover over main, not hover over frame image anymore. So this is done and it works the same. So now we can start programming the feature for the arrows. So first, let's just go ahead and create a table inside of this frame, since tables are good for such tasks. And we have one row and two columns, one for the right and one for the left, and I'll set them IDs like left and right. Okay, and I already prepared images for the arrows. So I created a folder called img and these two images, and you'll be able to download them, and so that you can use them in your own web page. So let's create image tags and link to the left image first, and do the same for the right image. I'll just copy this code and paste it because I'm lazy to type it again. Right and right. And then we have to style the table, because right now the table is positioned as default, and now so you see this table is pushing down the image. We would don't have that. So let's just go ahead and style this table, frame table I think I called it. Let me look up. It's frame table, yes. So I'll set frame table position to absolute, and I will also set its width to be 660 pixels, and I'll also push it to the right by using margin left of 20 pixels. So right now we have our table right here, and we also have to push the right arrow to the right side, to the right edge. So let's just go ahead and select the right one and use float property, just say float right, and now it's on the right side. And then we have to push them a little bit down. Okay, I'll select the right as well as the left one, set its position to be relative, and top to 150 pixels. So let's see what's gonna happen. Yep, and as you see, we have this arrows in the middle. We still have this little space between the edge and the arrow, so we'll fix it in the next tutorials. So now we basically created this arrows, and then the next thing we want to create a jQuery event for tracking clicks on these arrows. So let's go to our script and create a new selector, and in this case right click function, and the same for the left click function. So I don't think we'll make it in this tutorial to write the code for it, but we still already have selectors and we have these arrows, and in the next tutorial we'll finish this option of scrolling between two images. So I hope you guys like this tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next one. So if you have any questions about the portfolio or about the CSS or HTML and stuff, you can go ahead and ask, because I went pretty fast through the last steps of creating HTML and CSS structure. And the reason why I did it fast, because I wanted to focus on jQuery. I didn't want to focus on HTML and CSS. So in the next tutorial, we'll be programming lots of jQuery, and I hope you guys follow along. And so see you guys in the next tutorial. Have a nice